Welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today's video described the use of a planometer, also called a planimeter. A planometer is a mathematical instrument for directly measuring the area bounded by an irregular curve and hence the value of a definite integral. A planimeter is specially designed to measure the surface area of a shape on a map or drawing. Planimeter, also known as a planimeter or planimeter calculators, is a device which can measure areas. It originally consisted of a flat plate which could be given rotational or linear motion. It does this by tracing the outline of the shape with a mechanical arm which then calculates the area based on the movement of the arm. A planimeter is a measuring instrument used by surveyors and engineers to calculate the area of a planar figure. In our factory, to measure the total consumed natural gas flow for urea fertilizer production, a chart recorder is used with the differential pressure transmitter output line. Chart recorder is an instrument used to record various process and electrical signals. Chart recorders are versatile instruments that measure humidity, temperature, pressure, voltage, and more. Each of these measurements requires a specific type of sensor or input device to accurately detect and convert the changes in the parameter into an electrical signal that can be recorded. Most strip chart recorders use a servo feedback system to ensure that the displacement of the pen across the paper tracks the input voltage in the required frequency range. A potentiometer system is generally used to measure the position of the writing head. The most traditional chart recorders record data on paper. The paper is passed under the pen and the pen is deflected in proportion to the signal. The result is a graph or chart of the data. For calculating the gas flow, planimeter equipment is used. It is placed on the chart paper which is used to the chart recorder unit. When a planimeter is used to measure a region, the user moves the right end point of the rod, the tracing point around the boundary of the region to be measured. That means the planimeter measures the distance that its measuring wheel travels projected perpendicularly to the measuring wheel's axis of rotation. The area of the shape is proportional to the number of turns through which the measuring wheel rotates when the planimeter is traced along the complete perimeter of the shape. There are ways of improving accuracy. Position a straight edge so that the pointer can slide along it to trace straight portions. This requires experience. Always do the wiggly bits fast. If your hand slips, you have wasted less time. Measure until you have at least 3 close to identical results. For calculating the total natural gas flow of our factory, after measuring the area from chart paper by planimeter, then putting the natural gas standard heating value to a calculating formula, then actual gas flow is measured. The commonly heat value is likely 1 megajoule per kg, which indicates the amount of energy measured in megajoules released when burning 1 kilogram of natural gas. Additionally, also other units are used for measuring the heat value. Heating value depends on the country and the pipelines, so the value can differ from 34 to 52 megajoule per meter cube and likely 950 to 1050 BTU per SCF. Thanks for watching this.